Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a project here in Basecamp. All right. So first off, log into your Basecamp account. And then once done, click on the specific project that you wanted to delete. Click on it. And then once done, just go ahead over to the top right and click on three dots. And then in here, as you can see, we have the delete this project option. Now, if you just meant to archive this specific project and maybe recover it later, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to archive it if you have the free account, okay? Make sure that you have the paid plan. And then in here, besides the delete this project option, you'll have the archive option as well. So going back to the topic, deleting. Click on delete this project. And as you can see here, it says permanently delete your project. And if you're really sure, you can now go ahead and click on delete this project. Wait for it. And as you can see here, it's now gone. And that's basically it. And that's how easy it is to delete a project here in Basecamp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.